I was on the internet today and I heard about this guy. He works for some computer magazine, and he said that he went and bought a USB cable. It was a USB-C cable. It puts out like a little less than what an iPad charger puts out, and the cable was bad, and it fried his computer. So I said to myself, "That's nothing." I got this Dell here. It's got a bad USB port, and it allows you to put your USB cable in upside down. So that can't be healthy. And I don't know if it affects every single Dell. Anyways, this is a Dell XPS. It's a Studio XPS. It was the first Studio XPS hybrid. It's an XPS 1340. It was famous for having a back of metal, aluminum, and leather. And it had a internal NVIDIA video card. It had two video cards. And it was famous because Dell didn't always sell a lot of these, and everybody with this computer who bought one was no longer able to buy Dell manufactured batteries about a year after it came out. So every single battery pack that you buy that's 9-cell, you have to buy a counterfeit one from China. Anyways, let's get my USB drive here, and let's put it upside down and see what happens. Let's see. They say the USB. Let's see. The USB is face up. Let's see. That's face up because I can see the USB signal. So we'll put it upside down. Oops. Hold on. We have to reattach the drive here. Give me a second. Okay. So we got the USB. We'll put it upside down, and we'll watch the carnage. This is why you don't buy a Dell. You buy a Mac or something that has higher quality specs. So what happens? Let's see what happens. Oops, hold on. Oh, I think we permanently wonked it. Now it won't go in either way. Oh, there he goes. Oh, we fried it. Oh, I didn't get the cool blue screen that I wanted. Yeah, there we go. We killed it. That's cool. Yeah, so now I want my 1,000,000 views, and I want to be famous on the internet again. Bye.